boy Clenfx, and I'm going to be doing an in-depth analysis on NZDJPY, that is the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. And I'm going to do a market breakdown, what's going to happen, what's going to be the next move of the market as the market opens today around 10 o'clock. So I'm going to do it live. I'm going to do this and I'm going to post it on my YouTube page and other social media platforms, and you can watch and you'll see how I trade and how I take my trades. So I'll go to the daily time frame. I'm going to do top-down analysis, go to the daily time frame, and I'm going to go to the one day, and I'm going to delete everything I've done. So that I can start from scratch and you guys see what I've been doing, right? So let's go. This is the day. This is the 1 day time, 1 week time frame, and if I look at the trend, price was actually going to an uptrend. Price was going to an uptrend after the direction change and it was going downward. So, but as you can see, as it was going downward, you see a break of structure. Price breaks the structure here, and but now as price breaks this structure, I should be expecting that there should be a retracement and a continuous downward. But you see a level of resistance at this level. You see price trying to pull down, but instead of pulling down, you see something of a resistance trying to create this pattern, and which shows that price is a continuation upward. So what I'm going to do is, now since I first of all know that there's a break of structure, the market is going in the downward direction. You see market is going in the downward direction, and you see you had a break of structure here, a break of structure. Let me put it down. You had a break of structure. Now the normal thing is that we are going to wait for a retracement, for price to retrace at the level, and when price retraces at the level, it's going to be in a continuous down trend. But we did not see that. What did we see? We saw price coming to this level. We see price coming to this very level, price come to this very level, then go down to the daily time frame. You see price is constantly reacting to this level, indicating what a change in market direction. So you see price reacts here, it fails to break this level, it also fails to break this level. You see it just keeps reacting at this level here. So it's telling me that there is a change in market direction. The market will not continue downward, the bias is still upward, which is going to still be in a buy. Therefore means the NZD New Zealand dollar is still going to be strong. So with this knowledge in mind, I'll go back to the weekly time frame. I'm just going to wipe everything. I don't like to detail my chart with a lot of lines, all of that, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the daily time frame, and I'm going to highlight this place, and you will notice if you look downward, there are two things I'm going to look at, right? The strength of the candle, because I'm a trend line trader. The strength of the candle at this break of structure, you understand, you see price breaks this level. Let me highlight this level. You see this level, price has broken this level. If you look down, price has broken this level with a very strong candle buy, like indicating that what buyers are ready to enter the market. Our buyers are seeing this price as a very good price for them to push up the market upward. You see the strength of the candle, it's very, very strong. With this in mind, and you see this structure has been broken with a very strong buy candle, indicating that the buy is going to be in a continuation, it's going to continue. With that said, I'm going to delete all of this and I'm going to highlight this. I like this. Good. And now I'll go now to the daily time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, you see the strong buy candle, then you see this consolidation here, but it's consolidating, but I already know in mind that it's going to be a very good buy. So I'm going to go to the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hour, then first of all go to the daily time frame. Let me highlight something. So if you look at this well, you will see that price has broken this. You see this candle has consolidated and it has broken this and it's continuing, right? We're highlighting this. I'm going to go to the 4 hours time frame. Going to the 4 hours time frame, I'm just going to increase this. You see something, you see this candle, you see this strong buy candle breaking this line, and you see this rejection here, and you see the next buy candle. So to be in the safe side, I'm just going to enter a buy, and so this is my bias for the next week. So see this, I put my stop loss under this sell candle, and I put my buy a 1/3. So let us watch and see what the market is going to do, and whether my analysis will actually is going to, you understand. So let's just watch and see what the market is going to be like. But this is my own view of the market, and I'm pretty much sure, 80% sure, that the market is going to be in a massive buy next week. And I'm also saying this because if you look at the dollar index, you see, literally from my point of view, I think the dollar is going to be in a strong buy next week. So let's just watch and see. Peace.